What is price impact? Let's begin. Price impact is the change in token price directly caused by your trade. Price impact is reflected as the difference between the current market price and how your trade impacts the total liquidity in a pool. When the pool has high liquidity, your trade may have a smaller price impact. But if the pool has low liquidity, your trade may have a larger price impact. If you're trading small amounts, price impact is usually minimal. For bigger trades, the price impact can be significant, meaning you might not get the price you expected. A way to avoid high price impact is to break down transactions into small quantities, reducing the amount of buying and selling of crypto tokens. Example: if you have $50,000 you want to sell, split them up into 5 transactions of $10,000 each. This will reduce price impact and loss of profit. Make sure to like and subscribe if you found this video helpful.